Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Nathan Does Vids and my brother Josh here. Back at it again with another video. This kid's just looking at me weird. Yeah, we're...
That's what I do best.
Yeah. This is our last day at sea. And then,
Sadly.
yeah, sadly. And then tomorrow we get off the boat. So we actually just got on the water slides and then the pools. But then we picked up some swirls, as this kid said.
There's a sign above it that says swirls.
That's true.
So
I put it with an ice cream cone on top. I got chocolate. Oh, it's dripping. Yeah, and then they had a chocolate, like, buffet. So I got some churros, I got chocolate pudding, and some marshmallows. And then this kid just got plain old vanilla ice cream.
And you got plain old poop-looking chocolate ice cream.
Who taught him this? So hey guys, at the moment it's like 11:30, and you know what? I'm gonna have 2 days in one vlog. I'm gonna add tomorrow's video to this video, so I'm not ending it here. But it actually looks like we got some land out there, so I'll flip the camera around to show you. You can't see it that well, but maybe if I turn off the light. You can kind of see it. It's right out there. It's that dark spot over there. But yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I'll go check on the map where we are. So that's where we are. We're very close to Texas. We're actually near Louisiana right now, so maybe we can see some Louisiana or something. We're in the current. Oh, that's how fast we are going. Speed, latitude, longitude. Do you guys know how to do that? Let me know. I mean, I know how to do it. There's the wind. That's how the wind is. Josh is actually asleep right now, so I gotta be quiet. But yeah, there's the wind. Speed again. But there's a frog. Got a gorilla buster. If I change the channel, that's our forward view. So that's what we can see. That light. That is my phone light. But yeah, that's all you can see is that. This is the Lido deck. That's what the deck looks like. There's nothing showing right now. Some people walking around. Audible fun times. So yeah. Map channel. So that's where we are, guys. We're right there. Apparently. We left Cozumel. So we went from Jamaica. We went from there to Jamaica to Cozumel. And we had one more stop. Cayman Islands. Now the Caymans, they are, I don't know where the Caymans are. Cayman Islands. They are somewhere. Hey guys, it's day 2, and we are back in Galveston. We're going down to breakfast right now. So we are at the Tremont Hotel. We got off the ship, and yeah, we're just relaxing. We get on the plane. We go to the airport in about 3 hours. So we're just relaxing in the air conditioning. It's pretty warm outside. It's like 90 degrees, but it's extremely humid. So yeah, and if you're wondering about this, it's been in the past couple videos. It's not what you think it is. I skinned my chin on the bottom of the pool, on a pool, so yeah. Besides that, here's what it looks like. Guys, I'm pretty sorry that I have not been filming all of this, just because like I didn't film the breakfast. Basically what we did, we just walked around the deck and just sat down and relaxed until we had to get off the ship. So I should have filmed that. I'm so sorry that I did not. It was kind of all stressy in a way, getting off the ship and stuff. So yeah, again, we're still relaxing. I actually got, oh, can't be copyrighted, but I got a drink, and yeah, and then we're just gonna go to the airport soon, and I definitely will film in the airport. I'll try to. So guys, we are actually leaving right now. We're hopping in our little taxi or limo. It's not limo, but they call it that. There's the Carnival Breeze. So we're hopping on to our car right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the airport. Yeah guys, say goodbye to the Carnival Breeze. It was fun up there. See you guys at the airport. I keep saying that I'll see you at the airport, but I'm gonna film so it just looks like, you know, not a ton of time going by. But yeah, right now we're in the taxi again. There's Josh. What are you doing, Josh?
On my phone.
Are you looking up my videos on YouTube?
Nope.
Oh, you should, but he's looking at YouTube, which is cool. Yeah, so it's pretty hot. I'm sweating and still sunburned. My shoulders are pretty sunburned still, I feel it. It's getting better though. I've been putting aloe vera on it and stuff like that, but it's a hot day in Galveston. And yeah, it's pretty hot. It's being out on the open season. So we're just about to get on the plane. Here we go. Okay guys, we just made it home. I'm gonna unpack and do everything. And that's it for the vlog, for the whole thing. Josh is in here in his room, getting his new ship out. Forgot to tell you guys he got a new ship.
It's Jamaica. It's none of them on the box.
Oh, it's very cool. It says Jamaica, so he knows that we went to do.
1962.
So sweet. Yeah, got my bag. We literally just walked in the door after unpacked everything. Let's turn on the light in my room here. There it is. Feels good to be back. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Don't know exactly when it's gonna be. Yeah, it was kind of chaotic at the airport. Like fish oil went on our suitcases, so we had to repack and everything. Yeah. So I was gonna end it there, but then we had that whole ordeal. So yeah, that's all for the week's vlog. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Like the video, subscribe if you're new. Do whatever you want with this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and see you guys.